Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel BALU Master. Today I am going to discuss target KCET 2021. In integration, I am going to discuss the topic as definite integration part 4. In this definite integration chapter from KCET, the number of questions are 3. Every year they are asking 3 questions. So in these 3 questions also we can able to guess 2 models at least. One model we can able to predict. So from 2 models, one question compulsory coming from the area is this kind of questions. Like a very simple area, that is what like by taking 2-3 steps, or else by applying the shortcut formula, or else by known result, like that kind of questions they're asking. That is what area number 1. Then coming to second area, properties related question, or else integral UVDX related question. Next, coming to third area, that is what cumulative area. In the cumulative area, they can ask integral part of x related questions, or else some special function related questions they can ask. So I want to discuss one by one. In today's session, I am going to discuss the first area, which is related to either formula approach or shortcut, or else by using any result we need to solve that kind of questions. I'm going to discuss all questions. What I'm going to discuss, that is what previous entrance examination questions only from last 5 to 6 years questions. Let us move to this question. Integral 0 to 1 root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. Actually within the root only you need to apply rationalization. 1 plus x by 1 plus x. 1 plus x whole square means numerator you are getting 1 plus x by a plus b into a minus b root over 1 minus x square. Then splitting and simplification, you will get the answer. But if you solve by using the method, it takes almost 2 to 3 minutes time. But instead of that time, you can able to recognize the answer within fraction of seconds. If you know the shortcut, you can able to attempt within 3 to 4 seconds. Within 3 to 4 seconds, you can able to give the reply. So what is the shortcut formula here means integral 0 to a root over a plus x by a minus x dx. This is equals to a by 2 into pi plus 2. Integral 0 to a root over a plus x by a minus x dx equal to a by 2 into pi plus 2 is the shortcut formula. So now whether the given question in this formation or not, let us check. 0 to 1, instead of a is equals to 1 given, root over a plus x by a minus x, 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. This can be written as a by 2 and then 1 by 2 into pi plus 2. That's what it's not there the option. You need to simplify one more step. Pi into by 2, pi into 1 by 2, pi by 2 plus 2 get cancelled. So pi by 2 plus 1 option is given. This is what option number 1. So this is given in the previous KCET entrance examination. That's what this kind of all shortcuts you people have to learn. So that's what I want to give the collection of all shortcuts, list out all the shortcuts and the related problems. Afterwards I'll solve it. Let us start the shortcut formulas list. Let's move to the list of the formulas. Just now I discussed integral 0 to a root over a plus x by a minus x dx is nothing but a by 2 into pi plus 2. Let's move to the second formation. Integral a to b root over x minus lower limit by upper limit minus x dx. X minus lower limit by upper limit minus x dx is means the result is directly you can able to take pi by 2 times of b minus a. If you substitute upper limit minus lower limit into pi by 2, then you get the answer. In the same way, a to b root over x minus a into b minus x dx means pi by 8 into b minus a whole square, and a to b 1 by root over x minus lower limit into upper limit minus x dx is there means the result is simply pi. No need to substitute anything, the result will get it pi. By using these shortcuts, your problem will be solved within fraction of seconds. Now you are going to simplify the following sums by using these shortcut formulas. The first question is integral 0 to 1 root over x into 1 minus x dx. This can be written as integral 0 to 1 root over x minus 0 into 1 minus x dx. Of course, it is nothing but this formation. A to b root over x minus 0 into 1 minus x dx means pi by 8 into upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit means 1 minus 0 whole square. That is what 1 minus 0, 1 square is nothing but 1. Pi by 8 is your answer. That's what third option is the correct answer. Let us move to second question. 2 to 5 root over x minus 2 by 5 minus x dx is exactly this formation only. X minus lower limit by upper limit minus x dx equal to pi by 2 into upper limit minus lower limit 5 minus 2, that is what 3 pi by 2. Directly you are getting the answer. Let us move to next question. Integral 2 to 3 1 by root over x minus 2 into 3 minus x dx means, if you see whatever it is 1 by x minus lower limit into upper limit minus x means the result without solving anything directly you can able to give the answer as pi. Okay, so this is the questions which are very important area. So I want to give few questions. You need to solve those questions by using these shortcut formulas, then update your answer in comment box. This is the work for you. Please solve these questions, these two questions, and give your answer in comment box. Now I move to next model, results. You have to know some results in definite integration. I need to give that list also. So let us solve this question now. This is the most important area, results. You need to know some results also in different integration. That is what integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. Similarly, integral 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx also gives the same result only. And you need to remember integral 0 to pi by 2 log secant x dx and integral 0 to pi by 2 log cosecant x dx gives pi by 2 log 2 is the result. Of course, the same results you can able to return like this also, minus pi by 2 log 2. Sometimes in your options this option they are not going to give, that time you need to check. So minus log 2 can be written as log 1 by 2. That's what either this answer or this answer, any answer is correct. Similarly here negative is not there, they are going to keep negative sign, and 2 they are going to write as 1 by 2. If you simplify, log 1 by x can be written as minus log x, minus of minus you will get plus. That's what this kind of answers also you people can able to remember. And also next very important formula, integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta is nothing but pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 8 log 2 is the very important result. Next, finally, next result, integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx is nothing but pi by 2ab. Actually, this kind of question we discussed in part 3. In integration also you have a shortcut. I discussed the shortcut also, whereas in definite integration the shortcut is very small, that is what pi by 2ab, that's it. So now for example the question they are going to ask, integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by 16 cos square x plus 9 sin square x dx is given. So very easy to attempt this kind of questions whenever you know the shortcut formula. Pi by 2 into 16 cos square x, this is what a square is equals to 16, and hence a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3. This is equals to pi by 24. Pi by 24 is your answer. So by using this kind of shortcuts, and results, you can able to do very quickly your objective examination. So I hope this session is useful for you. So I'll stop here. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Bye, sir.